Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y17 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and you can do it with tapping on this 3 bars icon, and as you can see here we've got all previously opened apps. So if you want, you can close only one of it or two of them, just find them and swipe them up just like that. But if you want to close all, just tap on this X button. And I'm not sure whether it was a misclick, and there was, so let's tap on close all, and okay, we've got this information, so as you can see we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.